Men remember women who don't get swept away by every emotional wave. Most people are quick to anger, easy to upset, and quick to panic. But when you can stay calm under pressure, you stand out. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. When he sees that no drama, no delay, no mood swing can shake you, he begins to admire you. He wonders, what makes her so composed? Practical Stoic step. Next time he tries to push your buttons, maybe he's teasing, maybe he's slow to reply, pause, breathe, respond with calm words, or sometimes no words at all. This quiet self-control will echo in his thoughts far longer than any emotional reaction. Here's a fact that stings: if your entire world revolves around him, you lose him. A Stoic woman's life is full with friends, passions, goals, and routines that exist with or without him. You're not just a partner, you're a whole universe. Seneca wrote, "If you live according to nature, you will never be poor. If according to opinion, you will never be rich." You don't need his validation to feel rich in life. Instead, let him join your life, not become it. Practical Stoic step. Keep pursuing your personal goals. Fill your calendar. When he asks to see you, sometimes you're free, sometimes you're busy. That natural scarcity makes him value every moment with you. If he knows everything about you in the first month, there's nothing left to discover. Epictetus said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." Hold back a little. Share your stories slowly. Let him peel back your layers over time. When you keep some parts of yourself private, he keeps thinking about you, because there's still more to learn. Practical Stoic step. When he asks about your weekend, don't give a full play-by-play. Share one detail, and let his curiosity do the rest. We live in a world of overexposure. Everyone posts everything, but the more you give away, the less he needs to imagine. Marcus Aurelius advised, withdraw into yourself. The rational soul is its own master. When you occasionally step back, not replying instantly, not posting, every detail you give his mind room to miss you, and the mind fills that space with thoughts of you. Practical Stoic step. Skip a day of posting. Take hours to reply sometimes, not to play games, but to protect your own space. Neediness is heavy. It makes people pull away. Self-sufficiency is light. It makes people draw closer. Seneca said, "He who is brave is free." Show him that you can handle your own life financially, emotionally, mentally. When he sees you choose him rather than need him, that choice becomes irresistible. Practical Stoic step. If something breaks, fix it yourself before asking for help. If you're upset, work through your emotions before venting. This strength will earn his deep respect and his constant thoughts. Not every comment needs a response. Not every text needs an answer. Silence is a mirror. It forces him to sit with his own thoughts, and often, those thoughts are about you. Practical Stoic step. If he disrespects you or tries to provoke you, don't react with words. Let your silence be the statement. That moment will replay in his head over and over. Men respect and remember women who live consistently with their values. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." Likewise, waste no time proving what kind of woman you are. Show it in your actions. If you say you have boundaries, keep them. If you value honesty, live it. Consistency builds a rare kind of trust, the kind that keeps you on his mind. Most people drag moments out until the magic fades. The Stoic way is to leave when things are still good. Seneca said, "While we are postponing, life speeds by." If you leave a date or conversation at its peak, his last memory of you is the best version of you. That memory will play on repeat in his mind. Practical Stoic step. End the call when the laughter is loudest. Say goodbye while he's still enjoying himself. Leave him hungry for the next meeting. It's not just what you say, it's how you move, how you speak, how you carry yourself. A Stoic woman moves with intention. She doesn't rush, she makes eye contact. Her presence is like a song that plays in the background of his mind. Practical Stoic step. Before you enter a room, take a deep breath. Stand tall, speak slowly. Every movement should say, "I am worth noticing." The most unforgettable thing you can do is live for something beyond romance. Marcus Aurelius said, "A man's worth is no greater than the worth of his ambitions." Chase your dreams, build your vision, serve your purpose. When he sees you are guided by something bigger than love alone, he knows losing you would mean losing a woman the world doesn't easily replace. Practical Stoic step. Dedicate time each week to something meaningful: your craft, your health, your growth. This higher calling makes you magnetic, making him think about you nonstop. Isn't about constant messages, constant presence, or constant effort. It's about impact. The Stoics knew. The less you demand attention, the more freely it's given. So step back, stand tall, live fully, and watch how his mind keeps coming back to you.